Holy shit! Where the fuck am I? God damn it, I'm in nature. Holy shit, Jackson! Bro, Jackson. Dude! Oh my god, are you alright? Dude, you were passed out for like a hot minute.
What the fuck? Yo, where are we?
Fucking nature, dude. It's the worst place we could ever be.
Well, God's green earth, right?
Yeah, but the birds. I hate the birds.
How do you know my name?
Jip. You know, Jip and Jackson. Yeah.
We're buddies.
Yeah, we're
We're
buddies.
pals.
We're pals.
Jip and Jackson.
Jip and Jackson. Of course, dude.
Okay.
Never forget me, man.
So we're just in nature now.
Yeah, we're just in nature. I kind of want to go inside.
Yeah?
It's
Yeah.
getting
And I'm hungry,
pretty cold.
too. I don't
You're
know.
hungry.
I feel like, yeah, we
I'm
should
like
probably...
kind of really full, dude.
I think we should get something to eat.
All right, if you want, I'll...
Come on. Let's go. Come on.
I don't even know where to go. Dude, Jackson, where the fuck are you going, dude? Holy shit, Jackson. Are you onto something, buddy? Dude, you're so fast. How did you get so fast? I don't remember
fast.
that. Yeah?
I'm fast. But just for a little bit.
What do we got? What do you... Got some food?
I'm eyeing this. I don't know.
I mean,
What do you think?
you think you're gonna...
Just like bite down?
Sure. I mean, we're in
I mean, what
nature
else are we
after
gonna do,
all.
right?
Yeah, what else do you eat in nature, dude?
Ow.
You get something, right? You got something? No?
No, we don't want that.
No? All right.
We need some
what
sort
else?
of animal, I think.
I mean, I only know about deer and bird.
Right.
Do you know if we could eat those? I think we can, right?
Yeah.
Like, do you know how to get a deer? Do you know how to find a deer? Yeah? All right. Kid's on fire. Ooh, bro, it's cold.
All right. I think I'm gonna dip, but you enjoy.
All right.
Um,
Okay, Jackson.
I'm gonna dip.
All right, all right.
All right. Good to see you.
Dip, Jip, Jackson.
Yeah, Jip
Jip, Jackson.
and Jackson.
Cool.
Right.
All right. Guess it's just me and good old nature. All right. All right. Oh, what is this here? Ooh, that's sharp. Nope, don't like that. Ooh, what about this? All right. I fuck with that. What else is nature hiding? Oh. Oh, wow, what is this? Ooh, maybe not that. All right, fuck it. I'm out of here. Too much nature for one day. Get fucked, nature. Bye. Oh, shit. Oh my god, Jackson, dude. Whoa, dude. Did you forget to breathe again?
Yeah, I guess.
Dude, I thought you were done with that stuff, man.
It's so hard.
Yeah?
to remember.
All right, well, I got you.
Okay.
Just
yeah,
like
let's like go this way.
I don't know, when you forget again, do
Yeah.
something.
Yeah. Okay.
Get my attention.
Okay. Yeah. Let's go this way. We don't want to be.
Dude, but
No, we don't want to. Trust me, dude. We do not want to be up there. This is. Let's go back. So,
all right.
so I found a deer.
Oh, you found
you
the
said
deer?
you were full, right?
Yeah, dude, I'm still pretty
Right.
full, man.
Good. Well,
You
yeah,
eat it?
no, I ate it. I ate it.
Oh, wow.
You know what I
ate
did? I pretended I was one of her own. Yeah, I got on all fours.
Oh.
Jeez.
Oh, that works?
Yeah.
Nice,
Yeah.
dude.
I got real.
And then you
close.
just went in. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, well, congratulations.
Yeah. No.
One
Good
less
to be- good
hungry
to be
boy.
here. Yeah.
What? All right, so I guess you know the way out, you said?
Right. Yeah. How did we get here?
Dude, I don't know. I guess I would never imagine coming into the nature in the first place.
Well.
Last thing I remember is playing Call of Duty Warzone. I just got back from the gulag.
Okay. Oh.
But,
Okay.
I don't know. What about you?
I don't know, man.
Do you remember anything?
I can't remember.
Fuck. I don't even know what day it is.
Yeah.
Are you all right?
Yeah.
Did that deer go down? Oh, dude, is it happening again? No? Oh, dude, holy shit. That's gonna be a problem.
That
man.
is gonna be the death of me one of these days.
It probably
Yeah.
will be. So,
Oh, shit. Okay.
I can't believe you haven't been to a doctor about
Yeah,
that.
I
That's
know. What
pretty,
the fuck? I don't know.
pretty wild.
Eh.
Okay. God, there's the bird again. I didn't know there were a lot of them.
What's your issue with nature, bro?
It's just not for me. I'm just one of those guys.
You give it a chance?
Yeah, I've been trying. I gave it a chance. The grass is kind of sharp, and that's about it. I can't do it, man.
Okay.
Just like people, who don't like pizza. Call them crazy, but they don't like pizza. So.
I mean, I don't like pizza.
All right. Well, I don't like nature. There we go.
Okay. Yeah.
Kind of getting spooky.
We're trespassing. Are we trespassing?
Shit. I guess we are.
Okay.
That's not good, man. That's
Well,
not good.
I mean,
It's.
I know I didn't get us into this mess.
Yeah. Okay. Well, I know I didn't get us into this mess.
Really?
So maybe there's.
I mean, it has to have been one of us, right?
Well, it wasn't me. It wasn't me.
Right.
So maybe it was you. What you gotta know this? You're the you know the way out, buddy.
Yeah. I think it's probably this way, right? Yeah.
So wait. How the fuck do you know the way out of here, man?
I don't know. I mean, we got in here, didn't we? I can't remember. I can't remember anything.
Bro, you're kind of acting really strange, dude. You just ate a.
It was you.
No, it was not, man.
Here.
I was lying on the ground, and I woke up.
You love nature.
Bro, don't you fucking dare, man.
You love
dude.
it.
I hate it, dude. Oh, that pisses me off so much.
Whoop.
Oh!
Oh.
Fuck, dude. Where am I? Ah, dude, it's nature. Fuck. Oh my God, Jackson. Holy shit. Jackson! Dude! Oh, you're